This is an installation video for the orbital drop supply switch dock for MLOK. You'll receive your assembled switch, a package of hardware, and some Vibrotite VC3. I won't be using the VC3 in this video, but you'll coat the first few threads and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes before installation. I include 3 different lengths of screws to accommodate different thicknesses of rails, so I would suggest leaving the switch dock assembled when you receive it, install it on your rail, and then with the washers, try different lengths to see which fits your rail best. You do not want the screw protruding past the nut into your rail during installation. For this TacDev rail, I know the short screws work best. So assemble the 2 halves onto your switch. They press fit together, and then insert into the MLOK slot. Install the screws from the other side. And then I suggest about 10 to 12 inch-pounds of torque to finish installation. Now your switch is assembled and installed.